In news tonight, a pug has landed the lead role in Snore Patrol.
You've been lied to.
What was that? I'll just keep going. It's a story about a pug dreaming about a life in the police force, but finding it really boring.
For too long, cats have been tossed aside and forced to roam the streets, while dogs and humans sit in power.
Sorry, folks, we seem to be having some technical difficulties.
Cats were once rulers and worshipped as gods, then lost to the alliance of dogs and humans. But the balance is shifting. The time of cats is nigh. Join the cause.
Not sure what's going on, folks. Charlie, let's go straight to a commercial break.